SNSD,
As we said, we're going to talk about love.
Why are you looking at me like that, Ayon?
What?
Like big eyes?
When you told me that I was looking at you with big eyes, I thought of something or someone. And
Someone.
who is that someone? From Bohol?
Yes, from Bohol.
Yes. Bohol, Philippines?
Yeah! Or is it like this?
Yeah.
This is our blind item for today.
And it has big eyes. Do you know what that animal is? It's a tarsier! Well, to him, you're the one related to this situation. Do you know someone or something that has big eyes? Like a friend, enemy, family member, or a crush, lover?
Nothing related to
It's not related to you?
That's it.
Classmate. Well, what is the role of that classmate in your life?
Nothing.
That can't be the answer.
Nothing.
That can't be the answer.
Nothing.
That can't be the answer.
Nothing.
You're making me like a tape recorder.
Nothing at all.
An enemy?
Yeah?
Cousin?
No.
Why? A long-time crush?
No. Are you sure? No.
Sure?
Short-time crush.
Could you give us a name? Why are you whispering?
Okay, fish.
Kero Keropi. Why do you call him Kero Keropi? You look like a frog! Okay, that's totally rude. But very honest. Thank you for being honest and for being rude. Thank you. Could you give us 3 attitudes of that frog you call?
And then, that what's so called?
Kero Keropi.
Stubborn.
Stubborn? What else?
Careless.
Careless and? Cute?
No.
Why?
Ugly?
Ugly. Ugly. Oh, how can you tell that he's stubborn? Careless?
He doesn't care about anything.
Why do you say, how can you say that he doesn't care about anything?
Love story.
Fake na. Ay.
How can you say that he's ugly?
How? Yeah, how?
Well, that's your disgrace.
So, you're the only person that we know. That's it. Kero Keropi. I think Kero Keropi is cute. Not the fake one!
Yeah,
The real Kero
Keropi.
Yeah.
The
The
green
real
one.
Kero Keropi is
one.
very cute.
The green one.
Siyempre frog. Of course, it's a frog. Of course, it's green. Brown. Pink. White. Blue. Blue frog.
Yes.
That's new.
I wish to see that.
Yeah, me too. Outer space.
That's frogs again. How about this Australian one?
Yeah, Australian. I love Australia. I love Australia. So could you tell us? We have some technical difficulties, so we're going to have a commercial first. Bye.
Kasi